Hello everyone. Now let's continue our discussion with the exercises. Here we have number 7. It is x raised to the logarithm of x is equal to x to the 4th all over 1000. Now to solve for this one, we take the logarithm of both sides. So we have here, if we take the logarithm, you have the logarithm now of x raised to log x equals the logarithm of x to the 4th all over 1000. We can simplify this further as the logarithm now of x, this one, the logarithm of x times the logarithm of x. But this one, because this is a division, the property of logarithm can be rewritten as log x to the 4th minus log of 1000. Now, log x times log x is actually equal to log x, the quantity, squared. And this one, for log x to the 4th, this can be rewritten as 4 log of x. Log of 1000 is equal to 3. Why? Because we know that the base here is 10. And if we raise 10 to the 3rd power, we get 1000. If we let u be equal to the logarithm of x, then we will have, this one becomes u squared equals 4 times u minus 3. In other words, we can transpose 4u here, so it becomes negative 4u. Transpose negative 3, so you have plus 3. That's equal to 0. U squared minus 4u plus 3 equal to 0. That's the result of what we had earlier. And this can be factored out into u minus 3 times u minus 1 equals 0. Meaning to say, you will have u equals 3 and you have u equals 1. But we earlier had this value, that is u equals the logarithm of x. So we can rewrite u here to be log of x equals 3 and log of x here equals 1. So that from here, it is understood that you have a base here which is equal to 10. And 3 here is the exponent to which this base is raised to get x. Hence, we have 10 to the 3rd power is equal to x. Again, x here, because 10 cubed is 1000, x here becomes 1000. On the other hand, here, the exponent is 10. I'm sorry, the base is 10. So if the base is 10, then we raise it to 1. This is the exponent. And we have a number x. Or we can say that x now is equal to 10. So that's the answer for number 7. For number 8, the problem is to find the value of x when you have the equation 10 to the x minus 2 times 10 to the negative x equals 1. But 10 to the negative x can be rewritten as 1 over 10 to the x. So you have 10 to the x minus 2 over 10 to the x equals 1. Here we can find the LCD, which is 10 to the x, so that we have now 10 to the x times 10 to the x here. So we have 10 to the 2x minus 2 equals 1. To get rid again of the fraction, you can multiply or both sides of the equation by 10 to the x. So that you will have 10 to the 2x minus 2 equals 1 multiplied by 10 to the x is 10 to the x. This time, we can transpose 10 to the x on the other side to come up with 10 to the 2x minus 10 to the x minus 2 equals 0. Again, we can let u be equal to 10 to the x. This one is u here. So that we can rewrite it as u squared minus u minus 2 equals 0. Factoring would give us u minus 2 times u plus 1 equal to 0. That means u minus 2 equal to 0, or u plus 1 equal to 0. So you have u equals 2, u equals negative 1. But remember, we're solving for x. And since u is equal to 10 to the x, then we can replace u here by 10 to the x equals 2. And again, what do? We make use of your logarithm. You take the logarithm of both sides. So you will have the logarithm of 10 to the x equals the logarithm of 2. Further, you can solve this as x times log of 10 equals log of 2. Solving for x, you divide both sides by the logarithm of 10. So you have the following: x equals log of 2 divided by log of 10. But what is log of 10? Log of 10 is actually 1. Again, because the base here is 10. So, what is the exponent to which the base is raised to get this number? Exponent should be 1. So, the logarithm of 10 to the base 10 is actually equal to 1. So, x now equals the logarithm of 2 over 1. Now, x is equal to, because you only divide it by 1, that means x is equal to the logarithm of 2. Therefore, x is equal to 0.301. Let me emphasize on the following first. We have this source is actually from Algebra and Trigonometry of the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. So those problems are from these texts, Revised Edition 2015, and we only try to solve a part of the exercises from 1 to 8. I'm Kathy. I'm Merka from the Department of Mathematics and Statistics, and so far we already had solved 8 problems of the exercises. Thank you very much for listening.